So undoubtedly, people are going to wonder how many AR magazines we can fit in there that are sitting loose, not in bandoliers. We definitely fit 2 going across that way. That's a good thing, just like we could in the 50 cal can. How many across can we fit? 2. We definitely cannot fit a 1/3 across. We can do that. We have 4 going that way. Let's see how many high we can do. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Trying to use the GI style mags here. 7. 8, 9. We can do 10 high. Is that really 10? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's 10 high. So we can do another 10 there. We can do 20, 30, 40. And then there would be some play here in the middle. For a few of them to stand upright as well. I'll kind of flatten this out. We'll just have to simulate what it would look like with a full load here. You can definitely fit a few more upright like this. 2. We fit 3 upright there. Now can we fit 2 rows of that? Yes, we certainly can. We will not be able to fit any more on top that way, which would give us the perfect spot to keep our silica gel at. So we had 10 high times 4 is 40. 6, then you could fit 46 GI mags in one of these bins right here. And that would be a pretty good zombie stash right there if you ask me.